Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Nandito tayo ngayon sa Parliament, dito sa Ottawa. And kasama ko si Ninong, and then si Mami Nini and Mama Happy, galing sila Vancouver. Tapos they're on their vacation, pumunta sila sa Europe. Tapos nagbisita sila sa amin dito and dinrive ko sila dito. And ang haba ng vacation nila guys, umaabot sila dito from Europe to Kingston, Ontario, to Ottawa, to Montreal, to Quebec, tapos going back to Hamilton. And yeah, Mami, say hi to my vlog, Mami.
Hi!
And then dito pala si Ninong Berse. Say hi, Ninong.
Hi, hello.
And then Mama Happy is there too. So apat lang kami. Walking kami dito, sightseeing. Especially dito sa Parliament, known place here in Ottawa. You know what I'm saying? Then time check is actually 1 p.m. ng hapon. Nakita nyo yun, dito yung bus stop nila. Maraming tao nag-aantay ng bus. And yeah, kita nyo yan? Ang gaganda ng mga building nila dito guys. And nung una, yung pagpasok namin dito, nahirapan kaming maghanap ng parking kasi prioritize nila yung mga ano dito, mga employee na nagwo-work sa mga dito sa Parliament, dito sa Supreme Court. Ito, Supreme Court of Canada, guys. As you guys can see here. Yan guys, nakikita niyo yan. This is Supreme Court of Canada and dito yung, harapan ng Supreme Court of Canada. And yeah, ang ganda maglakad-lakad dito guys. Especially sa mga gantong weather. Hindi masyadong malamig, hindi masyadong mainit. Chill lang, mahangin konti. And yeah, very welcoming, experience walking in here. So it's really nice. So guys, as you can see, ito yung Confederation, Boulevard, Supreme Court of Canada, a pillar of Canadian democracy. So ito yun sila guys. And open daw, guided tours available. Pero kailangan pa may reservation. So, hindi tayo makakapasok agad-agad. So yeah, let's go. So yun guys, as you can see, ibang klase yung mga building nila dito guys. You guys can see that is actually huge. And then like, iba yung architecture na ginawa nila dito. It's very unique. And hindi ko lang alam. Pero sabi nila ninong ni mami, parang similar daw sa Europe style. So, tamang lakad lang, sa Ottawa. You know what I'm saying? Parang same vibe sila guys, walking in Toronto pero merong mga part lang na may originality talaga tong lugar na to. Ibang klase talaga. And most of ano dito, hindi naman sila lahat nagfe-French. Naririnig ko sila nag-i-English. So, yeah, and this, this place is actually a tourist spot. Maraming mga ibang lahi din pumupunta dito. And then, you guys can see that? Merong sariling building yung Rolex dito. It's actually nice. Look. Kita niyo yan, guys? That's crazy. So, yeah. Yun, no? Yun, no? Yes, sir. So, yun, guys, nakikita niyo maraming tao doon no, sa harapan natin. Hindi ko alam yung mga estudyante and then mga tourists nandyan. And this is, yeah. Nakikita niyo yun, guys, sa likod ko? Yes, sir. Let's go. Ayan, yung mga estudyante, may security din. Then, mga tourists nandito. Same as us, visiting, one of the known places here in Ottawa. So yeah. Umuulan guys, pero tuloy pa rin yung gala. Ninong, anong masasabi mo sa place dito, Ninong?
Oh, nice. Looks like Europe.
Yun, no? Rate from 1 to 10, Ninong, what would you give?
9.
9. Bakit 9, Ninong? Bakit 9 lang, hindi 10?
Because of the buildings in the left side is looks like Europe, but the other side is modern.
I see. So yeah, guys, yun yung ano ni Ninong. Similar lang daw sa Europe. Tapos dito, left side dito,
Europe
Europe style.
looks like
Europe
Scotland.
style. Tapos dito, modern, guys. So yeah. Yun guys, so may mga ongoing projects pa nga eh. Kita mo yung mga construction worker doon. Mga engineer, mga foreman. You know, kaya lang. You know, they're on the top, ongoing, projects. So yeah. Guys, tignan nyo guys, sa harapan namin. Is big. You guys can see that? Yes, sir. So guys, kung hindi nyo napapansin, bawat corner, may security talaga, may mga police, to secure the place, As you guys can see, sa harapan na itong big building na to, may mga police talaga. You guys see that? Kita niya yan? Crazy, huh? Yes, sir. Guys, ngayon ko lang napansin, sa harapan ko, Bank of Montreal pala to. Kaya pala, maraming security, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tapat mismo niyan mga security, because this is the Bank of Montreal. It's crazy, huh? Moving forward na tayo, guys. You know, iba yung vibes dito, So guys, ito talaga yung parliament, you know. Ayan talaga. Yan talaga yon. Pero bawal ata kami pumasok dun eh, you know what I'm saying? It's very private area, And may nakikita ako dun, you know, may mga tao dun sa loob. Parang parang nasa tour sila, Tapos may nagga-guide sa kanila, may nagga-guide sa kanila, Yung mga tourists, you guys can see that? See? Kami dito, nag-drive lang kami papunta dito, To see this place, and, to experience this place. So it was nice. Well recommended, guys. You know. So yeah. Yan na yung parliament, guys. Tapos sa harapan ng parliament. So guys, as you can see, pwede pala pumasok dito, Hanggang dito lang ata. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Parang may inside road dito, You know. And hindi ko alam bakit may mga tents diyan sa loob. I'm not sure. And dito yung main gate nila, Yan dito. Ayun. So yun guys, as you can see, merong 3 buildings dito, Isa sa gitna, isa dun sa gilid, and may isa dun sa gilid, And then, sa gitna dito, merong fire pit with water, apoy tsaka tubig, guys. It's crazy. You guys can see that? It's actually nice, you know. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa main buildings, ng parliament. sa dito sa likod ko, ito yung parliament talaga sa gitna, and then yung dinaanan natin kanina, Then sa harapan, and then yung main gate, that one, Really nice, really really nice, sightseeing talaga dito. And hindi ko alam yung kung bakit may ano diyan, may mga tents. I think there's program na magaganap dito, inaayos nila. So yeah, very interesting. So yun, guys, and then my fire pit, sa gitna, you know. Merong apoy tapos tubig, Paano nila nagagawa 'yun? Magic ba 'yun? It's crazy. Mami, ano masasabi mo sa place na 'to?
Maganda.
Maganda. Wow! Rate from 1 to 10.
Maganda. Up to 10.
10?
Mm.
10/10?
Over 10.
Wow! Bakit 10/10?
Gani, over 10. Pareho mo ka mo dra o siyak.
I see. See yun, guys, may nagba-vlog din. You know what I'm saying? Pero magaling pa ako mag-vlog dyan, guys. Hindi, joke lang. Balita yan, guys. Gumagawa sila ng balita. Kaya ako, nagba-vlog lang naman ako. Yeah. Pumunta ka talaga kami dito, guys, sa Parliament kasi merong appointment sa akin si Justin Trudeau, kailangan niya daw ako kausapin. So, sabi ko pwede naman, Kaya yun, kakataos lang ng meeting namin, tapos, may mga pinag-usapan lang kami na si Carney na daw yung bahala kasi tapos na daw siya sa ano niya. Sabi ko, ano lang naman, may mga papers na ginawa, may ano. Mami, what would you say on this place?
Amazing.
Wow, what would you rate on this place, Mami?
10 over 10.
10/10. Bakit 10/10, Mami?
Because the structure is very historical.
I see. Wow. Historical. Yun yung tamang words, guys. Historical, So yeah, ito yung main place talaga na ano, na known sa Ottawa, you know. So yeah, daming daming gumagawa ng balita, daming taong nagvi-video, nagpi-picture, may nagva-vlog din. So yeah, it was a good experience. It was well recommended, place. So kung may time kayo, you know, well recommended pumunta kayo dito, guys. You guys will enjoy it. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga sightseeing, sa mga, historical buildings, sa mga known places. So, yeah. Guys, kahit umuulan, nagagala kami. You know what I'm saying? Hindi mapipigilan ng ulan yung gala namin. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. You know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know. Yes, sir. So yun, guys, tapos na kami dito mag-sightseeing. Maghahanap na kami ngayon ng pagkainan. Hindi pa namin alam. So, hanap muna kami ng pagkainan, guys. Gala-gala muna kami dito. So, yeah. Hope you guys, enjoy kung anong nakikita nyo, you know, sa video na to. This is, real life experience talaga. You know what I'm saying? And kung taga-Canada kayo, na meron kayong time and you guys are willing to drive, ito yung well recommended places. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga sightseeing, you guys will enjoy, this place right here. So yeah, yun. Grabe yung mga tao dito, guys. Parang karamihan nakasuit talaga eh. You know? And then marami ring, mga turista talaga na pumupunta dito, So yeah. And then every corner, every spots, meron talagang mga pulis, merong security, you know. Iba talaga. Well secured talaga tong place na to. Kung titignan nyo sa mga sinaunang panahon, parang nasa castle kayo tapos may mga gwardiya, So, tapos yung vibe talaga parang mga sinaunang panahon na building. Tapos isipin nyo yung mga gwardiya may mga espada pa, It's crazy. So ngayon kasi modern na eh. Yung mga gwardiya ngayon, yung mga pulis ngayon, may mga baril na eh. So, yeah. Guess kung nakikita nyo, yung laki pala ng Bank of Montreal, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Diyan tinatago yung pera ng Canada, guys. You know what I'm saying? Kaya well secured talaga. Tumatambay lang yung mga pulis diyan, you know? You know. Yes, sir. Yun, tatawid tayo dito, guys. You know, duman tayo sa harapan ng Bank of Montreal, guys. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Picture tayo ninong. You know, with mommy, with ninong, with mama happy. You know. Tamang gala lang sa Ottawa. Yes, sir. Guys, kung nakita nyo, Wellington Building, House of Commons, Kita niyo yung pintuan, guys. Ginto talaga yan. Tapos may security pa. You know what I'm saying? Grabe ba, Talagang iba talaga dito eh. Iba talaga yung dito, guys. Iba yung lugar dito. You know what I'm saying? Well secured, you know. Hindi ka basta-basta makakaano dito, So, yeah. Dapat matino ka talaga dito kasi kung hindi, isang lingon mo lang guys, may pulis na agad eh. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And then sa harap namin, it says here, Bank of Canada Museum. So, this one right here, this building right here, is a Bank of Canada Museum, So, yeah. Kaya pala guys, iba yung yung architecture niya, Iba yung design, Very unique design. Kasi museum pala yan. So, yeah. Interesting. Yun. Lakad lang tayo sa nila. Hindi ko alam kung downtown nila to, pero like, it looks like downtown. So, yeah. You know. So, yun guys, nakahanap na kami ng, mga pagkainan na area, which is there. Hanap lang kami kung may mga nagustuhan kami doon, So, yeah. Guys, sana nag enjoy kayo sa video na to, you know. And look at that in front of me. It's really, well structured yung place dito. So yun guys, punta daw kami sa kabila doon, Kasi yung area dito, yung mga pagkainan dito parang limited lang. Wala nang other options. So, you know. That means wala kaming nakitang magandang restaurant dito. So, lipat tayo sa kabila. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Yun, no? Mga pulis na naman, no, naglalakad lang. Well secured talaga eh. It's crazy. So guys, wala kami nakitang masarap na pagkainan doon, you know. Nag-research kami and then may nakita akong ramen. And then mommy wants ramen. So, yun, pupunta tayo doon guys. Kain tayo ramen. Sakto, maulan ngayon tapos mahangin. Tapos, kakain tayo ng ramen. You know, it's good. You know, it's good. So, yeah. Daming tao dito guys, you know. Very diverse din na city. It's really well diverse. So, yeah. Straight lang, Ninong. So yun guys, nakahanap na kami ng spot. Nandito kami sa San So Thai Ramen, you know. You know, you know. It's just a small place, pero ang daming customer, you know. So yeah. Sabi ng server doon, nililinisan lang nila yung table and then pasok na kami. So yeah.
Matindi ka mo, gutom sa bawah.
Yes, miss. So yun guys, ito yung kukunin natin. Tonkotsu Black. Yes, sir. You know. So yun guys, kakatapos lang, you know, kumain doon sa ramen, you know, Japanese ramen restaurant. And it was good guys, you know. Nabusog kami doon and, you know, well recommended yung ramen na yun kung pupunta kayo dito sa Ottawa, you know, dito sa downtown nila. And yeah guys, ngayon, you know, balik na kami doon sa parking lot, you know. Going na kami doon sa Montreal. You know what I'm saying? Magdadrive na ako. Hopefully, meron pa akong time doon, you know, mag-vlog kung merong mga sightseeing doon or, you know, anything that is interesting, you know, doon sa Montreal. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, you know. Maraming salamat sa, you know, panonood. Hope you guys, you know, get entertained dito sa video na to and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know, for more, you know, travel vlogs, you know, sightseeing vlogs, you know, sa mga, you know, amazing big buildings or nature vlogs. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys on the next video. Thank you sa panonood. Yes, sir.